This is a review of an oil-filled radiator, Pelonis. And here it is unboxed. I just need to attach these legs down at the bottom with these wing nuts right here. And here's the heater, fully assembled, next to my fireplace. Has two simple controls on it. This one here is your power adjustment. It's 1500 watts, so selection 1 is 500 watts, 1000, 1500 watts. Very happy with this. This is actually the second one I've had. The one in my room, which is a very large bedroom, I keep it on the first setting and a low temperature, and it heats just fine without overdoing it. In the living room, I'll probably be doing 2 or 3 depending. Just trying to help keep my dogs extra warm. You will see a link down below.